acceleration timer basically allows you to determine how fast does it take to get from point A to point B. And so what the acceleration timer allows you to do is 0 to 60, 0 to 100, quarter mile and eighth mile times. It'll measure how long did it take and how fast were you going. We added a drag racing Christmas tree in order to indicate to the driver when is it time to go. We could have just said ready, set, go, but instead we added a piece of eye candy that is identical to what you'll see at any drag strip. What it tells you is yellow, 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 green. And that allows you to know when is it time to hit the gas and do your 0 to 60 time.